Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself and guide you in appliance maintenance. Today we are going to discuss what to do if you encounter a Siemens dishwasher error code E25, E24 or E22. All of these point to the same kind of problem. The dishwasher has leftover water in it that's not draining. So if your Siemens dishwasher is not draining, something must be blocking the water. The blockage can either be in the filter or the pump impeller. In this video, we'll explain how to clear out both of them. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. So first of all, we're going to remove the lower basket from the dishwasher. You will see the bottom spray arm underneath where the basket was. This also needs to be removed. Simply pull it up and set it aside. Now this part is important. If your dishwasher is not draining, you will likely see water in your appliance. Before proceeding, you will need to manually drain it. Grab a small tub or a bowl and scoop the water out, or use a sponge to absorb it. Make sure you drain as much of the water as you can before proceeding. Then you can remove the centre filter unit. Twist it counterclockwise and lift it up. The filter is likely to be blocked by food debris. You will need to give it a good clean. You might also want to separate the filter components for a more thorough clean. Squeeze the two tabs on the fine filter and then pull out the mesh filter like this. To reassemble, simply click the mesh filter back into place. It is good practice to clean your dishwasher filter at least once a month. This is to prevent food debris from accumulating and unpleasant smells from occurring. You can also use specialised cleaning products to ensure your appliance is in top condition, such as our eSpares dishwasher cleaner and descaler. You can learn more about it in our video here. To make sure that you resolve the Siemens dishwasher error, you should check other areas of the appliance as well. For this next one, grab a torch and look inside the machine. In the bottom here, in the middle, is the sump, this big hole where the water collects to be drained. Reach inside it. You will find the plastic pump filter cover on the right side of the machine, a bit further in. You can remove the cover by pushing the release tab located on its right, then lift the cover away. To be clear, this is the release tab here, which you just pull into the machine. However, if you're finding it difficult, just get your flathead screwdriver and slowly and gently just wedge it out. This could also be the cause of the problem. Check the condition of the cover. Make sure no food debris has blocked it. You might want to give it a good clean. Additionally, you should check the sump is free of any food debris. Lastly, you should check the pump impeller on the dishwasher. That can also be found in the sump, behind the cover that you have just removed. Use your flat blade screwdriver to move the impeller. If you feel resistance, that means that it's stuck. This is where you should just use a bit of force to dislodge the debris and get the impeller moving again. That should fix the issue. Now that you've done all your checks, it's time to put the components back into the machine. We'll first start off with the filter cover. Then the filter unit. And just turn that clockwise to ensure that it's secure in place. And then the lower spray arm. And finally, to finish off, we're just going to reinsert the lower basket. It might be easier just to tilt the lower end and then slide it straight through like this. And these are the steps that you should take when you encounter an E22, E24 and E25 error on your Siemens dishwasher. If you're experiencing other fault codes on your appliance, we have a playlist which we discuss further here. Be sure to look through it and get your dishwasher back in top shape. For more repair guides, maintenance advice and all things eSpares, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.